Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Hi guys, how was your weekend? I hope you had a good one. It is Monday, it is the 14th of March, and I would love to know how your trading's going, guys. So yeah, please leave some comments, or if you've got any questions, yeah, feel free to leave some comments. Right guys, so as always, we'll start with a recap of Friday's trades. Okay, so we had three trades that we were looking at on Friday. The first one is this was the euro against the Canadian dollar. And the idea was this, guys, yeah, we had this large bearish candle form, yeah, and it was coming, bouncing off of this area of resistance. Yeah, it was once support and now it's resistance. And all we wanted to do was take price down to this blue line. And that's exactly what happened, guys, okay? But let's see if we could get in on the trade. So as you can see, guys, price did retrace, but it didn't quite hit our grey zone here. Yeah, but, you know, if you were being aggressive, you could have got in on, you know, perhaps this candle here, this red candle here, okay? And it would have been a good trade. I didn't get in on this trade because it didn't hit my grey zone, okay? So, but if you had been more aggressive, this would have been a great trade, yeah? You could have got in on this red candle and took price all the way down to the blue line, yeah, for a very good risk to reward. All right, so yeah, that was the euro against the Canadian dollar. The second one was this. This was the euro against the US dollar. Okay, so a similar looking chart to the euro CAD. Yeah, we had this bearish candle form. Yeah, it was bouncing off of this area of support and now resistance, and all we wanted to do was, first of all, guys, was take price back down to this blue line and then even potentially this blue line here. Okay, so yeah, the direction was good, guys, for both of those trades. Let's see if we could get in on it though. All right, so let's look at H1. And as you can see, guys, it gave us an opportunity to get in on this trade. Okay, so yeah, price came up, it retraced and hit our grey zone here. If you were being aggressive, guys, you could have gotten on this, you could have gotten on this green candle here, yeah, because of the wick. The wick really rejected the grey zone, or yeah, you could have waited for this red candle to form, yeah, because this really does tell us that sellers are in control. Okay, yeah, I actually entered on the close of this red candle. I got a slight retrace. I got in around here, put my stop above here, and my target was not this blue line because that didn't give me enough risk to reward, so I let the trade run. Okay, I believed I shut it out at 0.905. Okay, so around here I got out of the trade, yeah, and closed 100% of the trade. This was a very good trade, guys, very profitable. I was very happy with this trade. I think it was like 70 odd pips or something like that. Yeah, we got in here, took it down to here. Yeah, around 87 pips. Okay, yeah, great trade. The last one was this, guys, that we were looking at. It was the pound against the Japanese yen. This trade was less friendly, okay, but the idea was this. Yeah, we had this bearish candle form, yeah, the previous day. Again, it was bouncing off of this area of which was once support and now became resistance. And all we wanted to do was take price back down to this blue line. Okay, so that was the trade idea. Let's look at H1 to see what actually happened. So what happened, guys? Price did retrace into our grey zone, and as always, we're waiting for that candle to tell us that sellers are in control, and we got that here. Yeah, you can see this large red bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and I entered on the close of this candle. Okay, I entered here, put my stop above here. Okay, and the idea was to take price back down to this low and then leave some money on the trade and take it back down to the blue line. As you can see, the market had other ideas, and I got stopped out here. Okay, so the market stopped me out, and rather frustratingly, it's now closed back into our grey zone. So it'll be interesting to see what this does today. But yeah, that was an unsuccessful trade, guys, but we will have these trades. As long as you follow your money management, it's no problem. Okay, guys, so that was the recap from Friday. Let's look at today's potential trade ideas. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap of Friday's trades, then please smash that like button, guys. Really helps support the channel. Yeah, and also subscribe. Right, so we're going to look at the trade ideas for Monday, the 14th of March now. I've got 3 trade ideas, and they're all showing euro weakness. Yeah, the euro is still not strong and in a downtrend. Okay, you could trade most of the euro pairs, but I've narrowed it down to 3. The first one is this is the euro against the US dollar. So we had this large bearish candle form the other day, and then we had another bearish candle form, okay, on Friday. It was bouncing off of this last area of support and now resistance. So I still think we can take price just back down to this low here, guys, back down to these lows. Okay, so yeah, euro US dollar short. Let's look at H1 for execution. So what we want to see, guys, is price retrace up into this grey zone somewhere. Okay, then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form. Okay, and then first of all, we can take price back down to this low here. This is always our first target, the last H1 high or low. Yeah, close 80% of the trade and then let 20% of the trade run down to this blue higher time frame target. All right, guys, so yeah, euro US dollar short. Next one is the euro Swiss franc, and we're looking to short this as well. Okay, so as you can see, we had this area of support here. Okay, and then for the last couple of days we had this candle and then this candle bouncing off of that resistance zone. So I think we can take price back down to this blue line first of all, and then even potentially down to this blue line, back down to these lows here. All right, guys, so yeah, looking to short this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, what we want to see, guys, is price retrace up into this grey zone somewhere. We want to see a reaction. We want to something to tell us that sellers are in control, which is a bearish candlestick pattern. And then we will first of all take price down to this low. If we get a risk to reward of 1:1, if we don't, leave 100% on the trade, guys, and try and take it down to this blue higher time frame target here. All right, so yeah, euro Swiss franc, we're looking to short this market as well. And then finally, guys, we've got the euro against the pound. So yeah, more euro weakness. So we've got, it's clearly in a downtrend. We've got lower lows, and this was the last high, and this high hasn't been broken. Yeah, okay, and as you can see, we had this candle react at that area, a very bearish candle, which tells me sellers are in control. So I think we can just take price back down to this blue line, which is this last area of support here. Okay, so yeah, we're looking to short this market as well. Let's look at H1 for our entry, our execution. So yeah, what we want to see, guys, is price retrace up into this grey zone somewhere. Then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern. First of all, we could take price back down to this low if we have a risk to reward of 1:1. If we don't, leave all the money on the trade and take it back down to this blue line. All right, guys, but yeah, we're looking to short this market as well. Obviously, guys, all 3 of these pairs are heavily correlated. It's all euro weakness. So maybe trade the one that gives you the best setup. Okay, guys, so yeah, they're the 3 trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every single morning, then please subscribe to the channel and smash the notification button. Okay, guys, and also smash that like button. It helps support the channel. Today, guys, is pretty much a very light news day. Yeah, there's no 3-star ratings. If we scroll down, there's no 3-star ratings that we're interested in. So yeah, no real news happening today, guys. Okay, so yeah, it gives us the freedom to trade. So yeah, that's that, guys. I hope you have a great trading day, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and I will catch up with you tomorrow. See you later.